Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In this episode, I'm going to show you guys my dividend portfolio and exactly how much I made in the month of March. Now, when it comes to March Madness, hey, I made the Sweet 16, baby, because I got paid off from 16 different dividend paying companies this month alone. Now, over a little time, I've been getting discouraged about the snowball effect and compound interest, and I've been waiting to see it take place. But it's starting to take place a lot faster than I thought, because now I'm getting paid out from 16 different companies. And in this month alone, I made more in this month than I made my entire first year in dividends from dividend investing. So yes, I do see the compound effect taking place. I see the snowball effect taking place. And when I finally hit that $100 a month dividend, then that's when I know that ball is gonna start rolling really quick. But I'm not quite there yet, but I'm gonna show you guys exactly how much I made in this video and what companies paid me out, just in case you wanna invest into these dividend paying companies as well. But before we dive into it, this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description, deposit $100, and now you can receive 2 free shares valued up to $1,850 each. With those 2 free shares, you could keep them inside the portfolio and decide to use it, or you could sell those 2 free stocks and withdraw all of your money. It's literally free money. Don't miss out on that amazing opportunity. You could possibly get some of those free paying dividend stocks just from signing up and depositing your $100. I also left a link down in the description to Coinbase. That is by far the easiest way to buy and sell cryptocurrency. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. Here we are on my Robinhood portfolio. I still have not hit the $50,000 portfolio yet. Every month we get closer and closer, but the market has been pulling back. Right now, my account size is at $48,783.15. Over the last month, I am down 5.68%. That is crazy, guys, I'm down 5.68%. The market is down, but while the market is down, I am buying the dips. That is called dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is when the market starts to pull back, you buy a little bit more shares, so you'll be able to recover a lot quicker than waiting for your shares to reach all the way back up to the price that you bought in at. So that is dollar cost averaging. That's what I have been doing. So right now on the last month, I am down $2,935.96. Not exciting at all. But hopefully while I'm buying the dip, the market would it's like an arrow, it's just pulling back. And then when you finally let go, that arrow gonna shoot forward. So that's what I'm hoping it does with my account. But let's go ahead and go into the 16 stocks that paid me out. I'm gonna have to go through each of them kind of quickly. I'm going to explain why I invest into that stock, the dividend yield, and how much shares I own of each of these stocks. So I'm gonna try to get through all 16 so this video don't be 25 minutes long. Hopefully it don't be 25 minutes long, but let's go ahead and get started. All right, here we are on the first one, Essential Utilities, ticker symbol WTRG, used to be water. I have 5 shares, paid out 25 cents per share. So I got paid out a total of $1.25. If we go over and take a look at it, I am up $221. Well, since the ticker symbol had changed, it's kind of funky in here. But even over the last day, I'm up 0.23%. And I have a dividend yield of 2.23%, and they pay out quarterly. So if we take a look at Essential Utilities over the last year, they are up 9.81% over the last year, so they did recover, okay guys? So with WTRG, that's gonna bring my total to $1.25. The next one, guys, is one of my favorite stocks. It is a real estate REIT, ticker symbol AGNC. This is a real estate REIT. I own 102 shares at the time, paying out 12 cents per share. So I got paid out $12.24. If we take a look at AGNC, over the last year, they're up 31%, even after a major pullback, guys. That's when a lot of people dump, but I actually bought when they dumped, and it's up to $16.92. So I am up 19%, $276.68. This has a very high dividend yield of 9.17%. That's what makes a lot of people so afraid of it, because it has such a high dividend yield. but this is also a monthly paying dividend stocks. So I receive those $12 every single month for like the last 2 years. So I've made way more than $276, but in dividends, I've made around $12 this month. So with Agnc paying me out $12.24, that's gonna bring my total to $13.49. The next one is Johnson & Johnson, ticker symbol J&J. I own 1 share of Johnson & Johnson, paying out $1.01 per share. So I got paid out a total of $1.01. If we take a look at Johnson & Johnson, over the last year, they are up 35.22%. If we take a look at my portfolio, I am up 12.11%, up $17.77. They have a dividend yield of 2.45%, and they are a quarterly paying dividend stock. I think Johnson & Johnson have the opportunity to make a lot of money during this pandemic with the shots that they're about to come out with. Who knows? They could be covering those shots at a loss. But, you know, Johnson & Johnson is an all-around great company, and they make tons of different products, over 100 different products. So with Johnson & Johnson paying me out $1.01, that's gonna bring my total to $14.50. The next one is ticker symbol XOM, Exxon Mobile. I have 1 share, paying me out 87 cents per share, so I got paid out 87 cents. If we look at Exxon Mobile over the last year, they did recover from this big drop right there. They're up 55% over the last year, but over the last 5 years, as you guys know, oil has been on the decline. But Exxon Mobile, I think in their last earnings calls, they talked a lot about investing into renewable energy. So with, well, what's their market cap? Their market cap is $240 billion. So they could just take that and invest into anything they want to. They're still gonna be a natural resource type company, but if they find a way to kind of go towards renewable energy, they're gonna make a lot of money. But right now I am down to 1%, down $7.99. But they do have an amazing dividend yield of 6.03%, and they pay out quarterly. So with Exxon Mobil paying me out 87 cents, that's gonna bring my total to $15.37. The next one is Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT. I own half a share of Microsoft, paying out 56 cents per share. So I got paid out 32 cents. If we take a look at Microsoft, it is a gaming company. All gaming technology companies pretty much shot up. They're up 55%. So I'm up 32%, $33.52. And they have a dividend yield of 0.9%. So they are also a quarterly paying dividend stock. So with Microsoft paying me out 32 cents, that's gonna bring my total to $15.69. The next one is one of my favorite companies, 3M, ticker symbol MMM. They make everything. I'm talking about the N95 mask, all the way to duct tape, to sticky notes. They make everything, all right? So that's 3M. I have 2.02 shares of 3M, paying out $1.48 per share. So I got paid out $2.99. If we take a look at 3M over the last year, they're up 46.71%. And I'm up 11.73% because I bought 3M such a long time ago, probably like right there. And then they eventually had the decline, and then they're starting to recover. This is a dividend king. That means they increase their dividends every single year for the last 50 years, and they are inside the S&P 500. So they have a dividend yield of 3% with a market cap of $110 billion. So with 3M paying me out $2.99, that's gonna bring my total to $18.68. The next one is Realty Income, ticker symbol O. A lot of people say that this is the monthly paying dividend stock. Realty Income is a real estate REIT. That means they usually pay out, they invest into real estate, and they usually pay out more higher dividends than other companies, right? I have 8 shares at the time, paying me out 23 cents per share. So I got paid out $1.88. If we take a look at ticker symbol O, over the last year, they're up 15.54%, and I'm up 1.47%, and they have a dividend yield of 4.36%. And this is a monthly paying dividend stock. I mean, I receive these dividends every single month. So with Realty Income paying me out $1.88, that's gonna bring my total to $20.56. The next one is Paychecks. Have 11 shares, 6 cents per share, pay me out 66 cents. This is, I receive most of all of these shares, if not maybe except for one. I received these off of getting my friends to sign up on Robinhood, so I got these shares for free. So it says I'm up 688%. Hey, that's amazing. But Paychecks do have a dividend yield of 9.16%, and this is also a monthly paying dividend stock. So with Paychecks paying me out 66 cents, that's gonna bring my total to $21.22. The next one is Rocket Companies. This is my first time getting paid out dividends from this company, ticker symbol RKT. I own 5 shares of Rocket, paying out $1.11 per share. So I received $5.55. If we take a look at Rocket over the last year, it's brand new. I told you guys it's brand new. They're up 30% since lunch, and I'm up 30% since lunch because I bought it at lunch. And they have I guess they paid out a special dividend, but they have a market cap of $48.65 billion. At least Robinhood don't have their dividend yield on here. So I expect them to be a quarterly paying dividend stock. I have 5 shares at $18, and right now they're at $23.55. So with Rocket paying me out $5.55, that's gonna bring my total to $26.77. The next one is SPYD. This high dividend ETF. I have 11 shares, paying me out 63 cents per share for a total of $7. So with SPYD, let's click on that. Over the last year, they're up 57%. I'm up 4%, $18.43. And they have a dividend yield of 4.73%. So this is a high dividend ETF. I received $7. So with SPYD paying me out $7, that's gonna bring my total to $33.77. The next one is NetEase, ticker symbol NTES. I own 5 shares. They pay out 5 cents per share, so I got paid out $29. They did have a stock split this year. That means for every 1 share you had of NetEase, you received 5 shares of NetEase after the stock split. So over the last year, amazing company, they're up 70%. Even after the big pullback, they was up 116%. Even after that pullback, they're still up 70%. I own 1 share, I'm up 13%. And I have a dividend yield of 0.89%, paying out every single quarter. So with NetEase paying me out 29 cents, that's gonna bring my total to $34.06. The next one is Waste Management, one of my favorite and Warren Buffett's favorite companies. Waste Management, ticker symbol WM. I have 3.6 shares worth of Waste Management, paying out 57 cents per share, $2.11. We take a look at Waste Management over the last year, they're up 36%. Over the last 5 years, they're up 100%. Nice, boring company. They're not gonna be in the news. They're not gonna have any major spikes up. They're not gonna have any major spikes down. Waste Management, very dependable. I'm up 16% on Waste Management, $69. And I have a dividend yield of 1.68%, and they pay out every single quarter. So with Waste Management paying me out $2.11, that's gonna bring my total to $36.17. Here we are on the next one, PEY. This is another dividend paying ETF. I have 95 shares. Hopefully in this upcoming month, I will finally get to 100 shares. I have 95 shares paying out 6 cents per share. This is also a monthly paying dividend stock. So I received $6.41. If we take a look at PEY, they're up 60%, 60.31% over the last year. If we scroll down, I'm up 28% on PEY, and I have a dividend yield of 5.01%. This is a monthly paying dividend stock. Right now I have 95 shares. Going to try to hold my word to it. Next month, I'm going to reinvest right back into this and have 100 shares of PEY finally. So with PEY paying me out $6.41, that's gonna bring my total to $42.58. The next one is Pepsico, ticker symbol PEP. I have 1 shares, paying me out $1.02 per share. So a total of $1.02. If we take a look at Pepsi, over the last year, they're up 20.35%. I own 1 share, so I'm up 0.27%, up 39 cents. And I have a dividend yield of 2.82%. Pepsico is a dividend aristocrat. That means they are inside the S&P 500, and they increase their dividends every single year for the last 25 years. They are well on their way on becoming dividend kings. So I believe Pepsi is going to continue to increase their dividends over the next couple years. So with Pepsi paying me out $1.01, that's going to bring my total to $43.60. The next one is Nvidia, NVDA. I own 0.25 shares of Nvidia, so a quarter of a share, paying out 16 cents per share, so cents. This is not really a dividend paying stock, but they are up 105% over the last year. Even over the last 5 years, they're up 1,000%. Completely growth company that just so happened to pay a little bit of dividends back to their investors, right? I'm up 37% on Nvidia, and their dividend yield is 0.12%. That's why I was saying about their dividend yield, but I wish I really would have got one share of Nvidia back in the day for 40 bucks. You know, that's amazing right there. But with Nvidia paying me out 4 cents, that is a quarterly paying dividend stock. That's gonna bring my total to $43.64. And here we are on the last one, SPHD. I have 30 shares paying out 14 cents per share, so I receive $4.23. This is also a monthly paying dividend stock. If we take a look at SPHD over the last year, they're up 45.29%. And if we take a look at my portfolio, I'm up 6.55% on SPHD. So I'm up $79.53. And I have a dividend yield of 4.83%. So with SPHD being the 16th stock that paid me out $4.23, that's gonna bring my grand total to $47.87. That is amazing, guys. $47.87 in 1 month in dividends from me doing absolutely nothing. Insane growth. I made that my entire first year of investing. I'm making that in a month now. So hopefully in 2-3 years from now, what I make this year in dividends, this entire year in dividends, $400-500 in dividends, I'm making that in just a month. And maybe 2, 3, 4 years down the line, I'm making that in just a month. So that is the snowball effect taking place. All right, guys, there we go. So with January, I made $68. February, $40, and in March, $47. That's gonna bring my total to $156 so far this year. I'm on pace to do $626 this year in dividends. Woo, that is amazing. I'm gonna take that, reinvest it right back into the stock market, and eventually make even more money from that in the future. Might take that, YOLO it, and buy some Tesla stock with the $600 since Tesla is under $650, right? So I might do that. But let me know down in the comment section how many companies paid you out this month. You ain't gotta say how much you made, guys. A lot of y'all go down there and brag, I made 1,000 this month, I made 2,000 this month, and other people be like, well, I only made 50 cents this month. You ain't gotta say how much you made. I just wanna know how many companies paid you out this month. And if you're not a dividend investor, tell me other ways that you make passive income. But if you guys wanna keep up on when I buy and sell different stocks inside my portfolio, different dividend stocks inside my portfolio, and options trade on my way to $50,000, make sure that you click the link down in the comment section. That's gonna take you to my Patreon. By joining the Patreon, you'll have access to every single thing that I do every time I buy and sell these stocks. And you'll also have different opportunities to win different contests in there to make even more money. But yeah, guys, if you made it to the end of this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button because it helps out this channel more than you could even imagine. But other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.